We're gonna do the handlebars.
Handlebars?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are comfortable on my hands. I've got gentle hands.
Your hands are so soft.
They are very silky soft. Let's go, boner!
You going with boner?
I'm going boner. Now, where do I grab the push off?
Boner. Nope, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Oh man. Well, the boner gets excited. What can I say? Okay, hold on. Oh shit.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Let me just hang there. Don't let my butt hurt. Thanks, man. Oh, God. I got talking about growing pains over there. They're talking about boner.
Yeah.
I was like, it's not the same as Tom's. Thanks.